Hey guys, good morning from Mazatlán, where it's not sunny, oddly enough. It's quite gray and cloudy. Look at that up there. Really different. That music you're hearing, that's my neighbor. He's doing his thing. He gets all these plastic buckets and cleans them, and I don't know what he does with them. But anyway, he's always got plastic buckets. He sells them around the neighborhood. I don't know where he gets them. But well, 1 or 2 days a week, he washes about 100 buckets out. Carries them around in this little, what do you got? Pickup truck. I think you can see it down there. And they're very nice neighbors. They're awesome. But so it's Sunday morning, and normally I'd be out for a big walk, and it's just not very conducive to filming today. It's just not what I'm used to. So, but I do have a project because the bike that you guys helped me get for Andrea is here. And there it is in the box. A Rising bicycle. It's the brand name. Poke that out of the way. Rising. That's what the bike looks like. Thank you guys. Like, you turned a heartbreaking story into something really good. And Lupita hasn't seen much of Andrea. I still haven't met the lady. And because they've been working different shifts. When Lupita comes home, Andrea comes in. So on a day off, we're all going to try and get together, get the bike. She offered to take it up to Val and the bike shop and have it put together. And I said, oh, no, you don't have to do that. I can put it together. Fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure I can. I got the tools here and the ability, I think. And I'll put it together this afternoon. I think I will go for a little walk down the park. Let's go.